In the time that I have allotted tonight, I've been asked to share with you my company's view on the economy and then what we think that means for investing in the markets. I start off by describing where we are today and our short-term view. We look at the stock market as representing the broad range of companies across America. We came from a financial crisis that really brought the market down hard. The worst bear market in the history of this country, and it bottomed in March of '09. Can anyone guess what number the S&P was at the very bottom? 666. I love that number. And it reminds us that those were devilish times. Oh my God, we're going into the next Great Depression. That was the fear at S&P 666. Today, we're at the high water mark so far for this bull run. 1430 S&P. Now, what we show you here is from the peak of an economic cycle, the economy peaks and begins to roll into recession. As you get towards the bottom, our government will push stimulus into the system. They will reduce interest rates, and they will spend money, fiscal policy, and monetary policy. And by pushing all this stimulus back in, they jumpstart the economy, and the jobs come back, you see. Because of the value of the United States dollar as versus other currencies around the world, and you can see where we are, trade-weighted, has come down and touched lows that were important support levels 3 times since the 70s. And as we keep on spending money, the value of our dollar goes down. In the intermediate term, I see this kind of a sideways action. I do not believe that the next shoe is going to drop. I do not believe that we're going to visit S&P 666, the number we associate with the devil again. You could try to negotiate these bulls and bears, but on the whole, you had a sideways environment. They started off where we paid less than 10 times earnings. We're not there yet. I would argue that in the next number of years, as we get towards 1217, that the stars will align for that next buy and hold secular bull market, but we might have to wait, if history is any guide, to 2017. And so I close my remarks to you. How do I invest in a sideways environment, which we see for some years to come? It is as simple as the high-quality, dividend-paying stock. What does my baby say? They're sick is what they are. They're sick. That's a good thing, as you know. Anyway, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it very, very much. God bless you all.